question, if success is not dependent only to your intelligence, what therefore drives success? So she asked the following questions. Is it driven by IQ? Pwede ko bang ilagay sa equation? Pwede? IQ is not intelligence. It's the ability to think fast given the resources that you have. She also added in the equation, so she made a lot of studies about this using regression analysis. She added EQ. Pwede mo ilagdag sa equation? Emotional maturity, galit ka, alam mo kung bakit ka galit, at alam mo kung anong kailangan gawin para maayos ang iyong pagkagalit. Right? She also added and hypothesized maybe what can drive success is good looks. Can I add it? May nakaka-relate po ba? Anyone who can relate with beauty as part of their success? Yes? Anyone? Meron? Parang wala masyado sa kwarto. Right? This is important. We were conducting a workshop for insurance agents and for real estate agents last week, and we were telling them, please take note, walang bibili sa'yo ng insurance or ng bahay kung ang dumi-dumi ng kuko mo. And why? Presentability is important. When you meet clients, just because you don't see them all the time does not mean you should present your best version as well. Okay? One more study, a controversial study published in 1994 by Harvard Business Review. And in the study, they concluded American CEOs who get promoted in their jobs get promoted on top of technical expertise because of this one other physical trait. Can you make a guess what that is? The moment you see it, you get to quantify it. And when you happen to have this, you're perceived to be more commanding and authoritative. That's right. The correct answer is height. And this is why truly, height is might. The taller you are, for most people and most cultures, the more good-looking you seem. May nakaka-relate ba? Can I just ask the ladies, because this is actually part of the study. When women are asked, kahit mukhang bakulaw, basta 6'4 or 6'3, pwede na? Pwede na? Not necessarily. But what we know is this, a level of height for most cultures give you a level of command and authority. Because the bigger you are, the more people assume that they can protect you also from harm.